What is that verification? Whatever you have done, whether it is correct or wrong. How to find out you have done right? Concept, NOI approach, net operating income approach. Now, we have assumptions like value of the firm, what is the formula? EBIT divided by cost of capital. Now, KO is equal to 12.5%. What is 12.5%? Overall cost of capital. Now, so overall cost of capital, KO remains constant for all degree of debt equity mix. Then, hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 8 of your topic called Financial Management. In the previous session, we discussed about net income approach. And today's session, we will discuss about net operating income approach. Net income is over. Now we are going for net operating income. Easiest one will work out one problem on net operating income approach. Your agenda is very simple. We will work out on problem. Along with that, we will understand the concept. Concept, NOI approach, net operating income approach. Now, we have assumptions like the change in the proportion of the debt capital structure leads to change in the risk perception of the shareholder. Remember, if you make any changes in the debt capital, it will lead to changes in the risk factor also. Directly, the debenture holding will affect your risk part also. That is your part 1, first assumption. The second assumption is the overall cost of capital. Overall cost of capital, this must be KO, remains constant for all degrees of debt equity mix. So overall cost of capital, KO, remains constant for all degree of debt equity mix. Then, investor tend to capitalize the total earnings of the company to find out the value of company as a whole. Now, these are the points just you have to mug up and remember. Don't go in depth. Now, the value of equity is the residual value. Residual means least at the end value, which is determined by deducting the total value of the debt from the total value of the company. Now, what is the value of equity? From total value, if you minus debenture, you will get value of equity. Easiest one will work out. So, these are the formula you are supposed to remember. First thing, you are supposed to find out value of the firm. This is the first one. Value of the firm, what is the formula? EBIT divided by cost of capital. Now, next one, value of equity. What is the formula of value of equity? Your value minus debenture. Now, already you have found out value. This is only your value. From value, you are supposed to minus debenture. Then you will get your equity value. Now, once you're done with equity value, what is your cost of capital? This is your second one. What is your cost of equity? Now, EBIT minus interest on debenture divided by E. What is E? Answer of second one. The first answer of V will come here. Second answer of E will come here. So, your first one, second one and third one, all three we completed. This will be called as third one. 1, 2, 3. Once you're done with this, you have to go for verification. What is the verification formula? We'll go for that. The verification formula is cost of capital is equal to your cost of debenture into debenture, cost of equity into equity divided by value. Value means what? Value of the firm. Now, so these are the information we have and we will work out this. Your problem number 1 in this, a company is having EBIT. What is your EBIT? I'll write down one by one. EBIT. It is 1 lakh. Debt borrowed at 10%. Debenture. What is your debenture? Your debenture value is 5 lakh. Then interest. So interest is how much? We have 10%. So it will be 5 lakh multiplied with 10%. It will be 50,000. And the value of the firm and the equity capitalization rate, cost of equity. So KO is equal to 12.5%. What is 12.5%? Overall cost of capital. Now, we have all the information. We'll go as per the formula. First one is what? Value. Value is equal to EBIT divided by KO. Value is equal to EBIT divided by KO. What is your EBIT? Now, your EBIT is 1 lakh. 1 lakh divided by KO, cost of capital. 12.5%. We can also call it as 0.125. How come it is 0.125? 12.5%. 12.5 divided by 100. You will get 0.125. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, so what is your answer? Your answer is 1 lakh into 1 lakh divided by 0.125. So I got around 8 lakh. So this is your value. Hope you got your value. Yes. Now, value is over. Now we'll go for second one. Equity. What is the formula of equity? Value minus debenture is your equity. Now, value minus debenture. What is your value? Value is, already we calculated, it is 8 lakh. So it will be 8 lakh. It is 8 lakh minus debenture. What is your debenture? Your debenture value is 5 lakh. Now, minus 5 lakh. Your answer is 3 lakh. So, what is your equity? Your equity answer I got. One is 8 lakh value and 3 lakh is your equity. Hope you are clear? Yes. The last one, value is over, equity is over. The last one is cost of equity. Cost of equity. What is the formula of cost of equity? EBIT minus your interest divided by equity. This is your formula. Now, EBIT, I'll go back. EBIT is rupees 1 lakh. 1 lakh minus I means what? I stands for interest 10%, in the sense 50,000. And divided by equity. What is your equity? Equity 3 lakh. Now calculate this. You will get your value of cost of equity. So final answer should be multiplied with 100 because we will get final answer in percentage. I got 16.66 Hope you are clear. This is all about your calculation. Now we're done with your value is over, equity is over, and cost of equity also over. This is your 10-mark problem in your examination. Now, along with that, we have verification also. What is that verification? Whatever you have done, whether it is correct or wrong, how to find out you have done right or wrong? We have verification. The verification is, there is a formula for verification. Cost of debenture into debenture. What is the cost of debenture? It is 10%. Debenture value is 5 lakh. Plus cost of equity. Just we got 16.66%. What is the value of equity? We already calculated. This is 3 lakh. This is 3 lakh. So this will be, what is your value? The value is 8 lakh. Value is 8 lakh. Now calculate, see how much you will get. 5 lakh into 10% divided by 80 lakh. 30 lakh, 3 lakh into 16.66 divided by 8 lakh. Your final answer is, if you simplify this, I'll show you. 5 lakh into 10% divided by 8 lakh. So your final answer, I multiply with 100. Your final answer, I multiply with 100 because I need final answer in percentage into 100. I got 6.25. I got 6.25%. 6.25%. What is the total? The total is around 12.5%. 12.5%. So if you do your verification, you got how much? 12.5%. Now, how do we get to know whether it is correct or wrong? Very simple. Your answer is 12.5. Go back to your question. What is your cost of capital? It is 12.5. It should match with your cost of capital. Clear? Your answer is 12. Your answer is how much? 12.5. And your overall cost of capital also 12.5. Hope you are clear. Yes, good. I'll go back to all the slides. Please take screenshot. NOI approach. So these are the formulas I mentioned, 1, 2, 3, and the last one, verification. This is your problem number 1. Continuation of problem 1. Your last one. Yes. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood. So please work out the same thing at home. You will understand better. Thank you.